In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust time in Hubstaff. Whether you're correcting a minor error or simply organizing your work hours better, adjusting time in this efficient platform can be straightforward. We'll walk through each step to ensure you can make these changes smoothly. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your preferred web browser. Now, you might have a favorite, but whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or anything else should work just fine for accessing Hubstaff. Once your browser is up and running, type Hubstaff into the search bar and hit Enter. You should see Hubstaff's website listed in the search results. Go ahead and click on that link, which will take you to their homepage. Now that you're here, it's time to sign in to your Hubstaff account. Look for the Sign In option prominently displayed on the screen. Enter your credentials and log in. If you're using this at work, your company may have specific login details or procedures, so make sure everything's in order there. Once signed in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. On the left-hand side of the page, you'll find the main menu. From here, navigate to Timesheets. This section is where you'll find a detailed breakdown of tracked work time. You'll need to choose the specific user and date you want to adjust. You'll see a combination of a drop-down menu and a calendar icon. These tools will help you locate the precise timesheet you need. Once you've selected your desired date and user, you'll see various entries listed for each time segment worked. Next, identify the specific time segment you want to tweak. Clicking on this segment will open up the details of that particular entry, giving you a more detailed look at what you're about to edit. Within this detailed view, you'll notice a pencil icon appearing next to the segment details. This pencil icon is the key to making edits. Give it a click, and it'll open the edit screen. Here's where you can make all necessary adjustments. You might want to change the project or task linked to this time entry if there's been a misassignment. You can also alter the starting or ending times directly in this screen. Being able to adjust the start and end times gives you control over the total duration of the tracked time, ensuring that everything is accurately reflected. Once you're satisfied with the changes, be sure to save your adjustments. There's usually a button to apply or save these changes, so keep an eye out for that to finalize the updates. And with that, you're done. You've now learned how to successfully adjust time in Hubstaff. Remember, meticulous tracking is key to effective time management, and these adjustments offer you the flexibility to keep everything accurate. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other questions about using Hubstaff, feel free to check out more of our videos.